Done, sir. Done, sir.
are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c.
Done, sir.
Then limit extends to infinity. Limit extends to p. One plus ax square plus bx plus c whole power 1 by x minus p. We did this
Done,
question or
sir.
not?
Done, sir.
Huh?
Done, sir.
Done, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Note down the next question. If f of n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into f of n plus 9 by f of n. N belongs to capital N. F of n greater than 0. Then limit n tends to infinity. F of n is equal to dash. This is the question. So how to do this question is, because at infinity they are asking f of n plus 1, f of n both are equal as n tends to infinity. Now we are taking both are equal to t. At infinity both values are equal. Example 0.1, if you take 0.1 multiply number of times up to infinity, that is very close to 0. Same situation happens with 0.2 also. So at infinity, there is no difference between f of n and f of n plus 1. So we are taking both are equal to t. So now see what is the question here. Write t in place of f of n and f of n plus 1. So we'll get t is equal to 1 by 2 into t plus 9 by t. So this is 1 by 2 into t square plus 9 by t. 2t cross multiply will get 2t square is equal to t square plus 9. So t square equal to 9, t is equal to plus or minus 3. But what is given here? Positive only, greater than 0. So t is equal to plus 3 take. T means what we supposed? F of n. T means f of n. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity, f of n is equal to answer 3. That is what your question.
This is for mains you're discussing, right?
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, Supriya?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, which topic you're discussing now, sir? Because now only I joined, sir. For
You are attending evening class, no? This is a limits chapter name.
sir.
Chapter name is limits.
Oh, that topic only, sir.
Huh?
That topic only. Because I joined mains, no, sir. So Manoj sir told to join N Zoom class.
Okay, okay. Here also same topic.
No different topic, sir.
So I'm erasing. Completed everyone? Next sum. Limit extends to 0. 1 power 1 by sine square x plus 2 power 1 by sine square x plus 3 power 1 by sine square x, etc. N power 1 by sine square x whole power sine square x. Whole power sine square x. So how to simplify this? Here we have to, here extends to 0. Take n power 1 by sine square x common. N power 1 by sine square x. If you take a number common from the bracket, power will come. Power is a whole power sine square x is there. So this is 1 by n whole power. Srujan, tell me. So 1 by n whole power 1 by sine square, 2 by n whole power 1 by sine square x, etc. Last 1 will be there because n power 1 by sine square taken common. So 1 will be there. Whole power sine square x is there. Now these two cancel out. Limit extends to 0. N into 1 by n whole power 1 by sine square x, 2 by n whole power 1 by sine square x, etc. plus 1 whole power sine square x. See here, x tends to 0 means sine square x tends to 0. X tends to 0 means sine square x tends to 0. But what is there? 1 by sine square is there. 1 by sine square x tends to infinity. 1 by sine square tends to infinity. But it is 1 by n power means it tends to 0. So in the bracket, all terms will get 0. So we'll get n into 1 is equal to n answer. These all 1 by n, 2 by n, all terms will get 0. Last 1 is there. So n into 1 is n.
Sir, 1 to the power infinity, all problems done, sir.
Yes. Tell me, Supriya.
Sir, 1 to the power infinity, the types of problem done, sir, full.
We have done now.
Full, like. This is which type of
Some more
problem, sir?
questions I shared in the group now.
Yes. Sir, 0 to the power 0, infinity to the power 0, that type of problems are not there, sir.
See, generally 1 power infinity only they will ask, and we are having that type of sums only. But heading is like 1 power infinity, infinity power 0, 0 power 0, like that only. Just for heading sake, we'll write like, we don't have separate set of questions.
Okay, sir.
So finish now this one. Shall I
Yes,
erase?
sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Next question, see, limit extends to 0. Tan of minus 2 pi square into x square minus x square into tan minus 2 pi square divided by x square divided by sin square x. This is the question, important question. So limit extends to 0. See here, pi means 3.14. Pi square will be 9.2 multiply means 19 point. Now minus is there. So minus 19 point step value. You know step values. Step 2.3. What is the answer? Step 2.3 means 2. Whatever left side integer is there, 2.3 lies between 2 and 3. Left side integer is your answer. Same way, minus 19 point. It lies between minus 20 and minus 19. So left side answer is minus 20. So the step value becomes minus 20. So tan of minus 20 x square minus x square tan of minus 20 divided by sin square x. Limit extends to 0. Tan minus theta minus tan theta minus tan 20 x square. This is angle. So don't think it is separate. Tan of everything is there. Minus x square separate. Tan minus 20 minus tan 20. Minus comes out. So minus into minus plus x square tan 20 divided by sin square x. Now divide numerator and denominator by x square. Divide numerator and denominator by x square. So limit extends to 0. minus tan of 20x square by x square plus x square into tan 20 by x square by sin square x by x square. Tan a theta by theta, a property. So minus 20 plus x square cancel. So we'll get tan 20 divided by sin square by x square, that is 1. So your answer is minus 20 plus tan 20.
Sir, how did that minus 20 come, sir? That is, question is minus 2 pi square, no, sir?
Pi value, first I explained that only, no? Pi value 3.14. Pi value 3.14. Square means 9 point. Multiply 2 means minus 19 point. Minus 19 is step value.
You took pi value, sir.
Huh?
I did not hear that pi value you should take. Understood, sir. Done, sir.
Right. Limit extends to 0. Sin x sin pi by 3 plus x sin pi by 3 minus x whole by x. Limit extends to 0. Generally, if you see this question, sin x, sin a plus b looking like this is sin a minus b. You will expand. You will try to simplify something.
1
But-
by 4 sin 3x.
Huh?
1 by 4 sin 3x.
We have done multiple submultiple. That time I told you sin a, sin 60 plus a, sin 60 minus a. That is 1 by 4 sin 3a property. So total numerator simplification is 1 by 4 sin 3x by x. So 1 by 4 will be as it is. Sin 3x by x means 3 will come out. That means into 3. So your answer is 3 by 4. Direct. Noted.
Yes, sir.
Next sum. Next important question. Limit extends to infinite, extends to 0. 1 by x power 8 into 1 minus cos of x square by 2 into 1 minus cos of x square by 4.
Sir, this we have done.
Limit extends to 0. See, this is 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta formula
2 sin square theta by 2.
2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 sin square theta means this thing, by 2 means x square by 4 into, again this is 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. By 2 means by 8 like this. Now see here, sin square x square. Here also sin square x square. So x power 8 given in the denominator, you write x power 4. Here also x power 4. Simplification carefully observe. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. Same way here also. Then x power 8 write like x power 4 into x power 4. Now 2 into 2, 4. Limit extends to 0. This is sin of x square by 4 by square whole square right. Inside x square is there angle, denominator also x square is there. Into, again limit separate. Here also write like sin of x square by 8 by x square for this whole square right. So 4 into sin ax by x, that is a. That means 1 by 4 whole square. Same way here also sin ax by x. Here in place of x, x square is there. So number will come out. Whole square is there, no? Write whole square. So your answer is 4 into 1 by 16 into 1 by 64. So this is 256. Two by 8 cube otherwise. Model important.
Sir, we can write 2 by 1 by 256, sir. Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Which one?
No, nothing. Okay, sir.
Sir, actually, I had done this before this sum, sir. But you got different answer in that.
Any doubt? Finished, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next sum. Say next sum is limit extends to 0. E power alpha x minus e power beta x by sin alpha x minus sin beta x.
Sir, you have done this question already.
This one,
Yes, sir.
I think e power alpha.
Sir, the last time only you have written.
Okay, it means fine. Limit extends to infinity. 7th root of x power 7 plus 1 plus 5th root of x power 5 plus 2 plus 9th root of x power 9 minus 2 by 6th root of x power 6 plus 1 plus 5th root of x power 5 plus 1 minus 4th root of x power 4 plus 4. This is the question. So limit extends to infinity. X power 7 plus 1 whole power 1 by 7. X power 5 plus 2 whole power 1 by 5. X power 9 minus 2 whole power 1 by 9. X power 6 plus 1 whole power 1 by 6. X power 5 plus 1 whole power 1 by 5. X power 4 plus 1 plus 4 whole power 1 by 4. Now, remember, whenever x tends to infinity, numbers like x power 7, x power 5 is there an expression means highest x power take common. Remember this concept. Highest x power you have to take. In the first bracket, what is the highest x power means x power 7. Take x power 7 common. So limit x tends to infinity. X power 7 common. That means it comes out with 1 by 7. 1 plus 1 by x whole power 1 by 5. One plus 1 by x power 7 whole power 1 by 7 plus here x power 5 common whole power 1 by 5 into 1 plus 2 by x power 5 whole power 1 by 5 plus third bracket x power 9 common 1 minus 2 by x power 9 whole power 1 by 9 by denominator x power 6 common 1 plus 1 by x power 6 whole power 1 by 6 plus x power 5 common whole power 1 by 5 1 plus 1 by x power 5 whole power 1 by 2 1 by 5 minus x power 4 common 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. This is 4 whole by. So here also 4 whole by. There is a question. So limit extends to 0, extends to infinity. Here see x power 7 whole power 1 by 7. That means 7 cancel. We'll get x into x infinity means 1 by x tends to 0. Wherever 1 by x is there, write 0. And 1 plus 0 whole power 1 by 7. Plus again x into 1 plus 0 whole power 1 by 5. Plus x into 1 minus 0 whole power 1 by 9. Divided by x into 1 plus 0 whole power 1 by 6. X into 1 plus 0 whole power 1 by 5. Minus x into 1 plus 0 whole power 1 by 4. So limit 1 by x tends to 0. See 1 power 1 by 7 means 1 only. We'll get x plus x plus x. 3x in the numerator. Denominator x plus x minus x. So x minus x cancel. We'll get x. So final answer 3. This model, remember, important. Finished,
Done,
huh?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So last sum in limits. Limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos 2x into 3 plus cos x by x tan 4x. So this is the question given. Limit extends to 0. See, you know 1 minus cos 2x, that is 2 sin square x. Into 3 plus cos x divided by x tan 4x. That is what is given to you. We just wrote formula 1 minus cos 2x means 2 sin square x. Now I am separating the terms. 2 sin square x is there. So whenever sin square x is there, denominator should be x square. So I divided with x square. I will multiply with x square. Now denominator x tan 4x. Keep it as it is. Into 3 plus cos x. Now see this x cancel out. This is a bracket, keep bracket for this. So sin square x by x square, as x tends to 0, sin x by x value 1. Same way tan x by x value 1, but 4x is there. So you will get 1 by 4. Now x tends to 0, 3 plus cos x. X 0 right in cos 0 value 1, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 cancel. So your answer is 2. This is 2013 JEE Mains. One more sum I will do. Differentiation will start. Yesterday I gave formulas, differentiation.
Sir, you had given before only.
Huh?
You had given before only, sir.
I gave before only, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because which section I gave formulas, I don't remember. If you complete it, tell me. One more sum is there. Let us complete.
Done, sir.
Right. Say next sum. Limit extends to 2. Square root of 1 minus cos 2 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. This is a 2011 JEE Mains. Limit extends to 2. Root of, 1 minus cos theta formula, 2 sin square. Here it is 1 minus cos 2 theta. So 2 sin square theta is your answer. By x minus 2. Limit extends to 2, root 2. Root sin square value mod. Remember, mod will come. By x minus 2. Modulus means limit extends to 2 plus, we have to find out right limit and left limit. If you do right limit extends to 2 plus root 2 mod sin x minus 2 by x minus 2. 2 plus means modulus will become plus root 2 sin x minus 2 by x minus 2. Sin theta by theta is 1. Limit extends to 2. Means x minus 2 tends to 0. X tends to 2 means x minus 2 tends to 0. In place of x minus 2 is there now. So your answer is root 2 into 1. Left limit if you find, limit extends to 2 minus root 2 into mod sin x minus 2 by x minus 2. So this will become minus. Modulus will become minus. So your answer is minus root 2. Same process to same only. 2 plus means mod will become positive. 2 minus means mod will become negative. So here right limit to left limit to both are not equal. That means limit does not exist. That is your answer. Final answer is does not exist. Concept understood?
Yes, sir.
So remember, whenever root 1 minus cos they are using means 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2, mod will come. Square root to cancel means mod will come. Mod means it does not exist. Then left limit to right limit you have to find like this. Chalo. Let us start differentiation.
Done. Sir. Done, sir.
So differentiation, sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x. Basic formulas application only they will ask. So first question, if y is equal to 2 power ax and dy by dx is equal to log 256 at x equal to 1, then a is equal to dash. So solution, y is equal to 2 power ax. This is like a power x formula. Dy by dx is equal to a power x derivative, a power x into log a power x into log a. Log a means 2 into power derivative. Power ax is there. Ax derivative, x derivative 1. So a will come. Suppose 2 power x is there. What is the derivative? A power x formula apply. D by dx of a power x into log a. Same way, 2 power x derivative, 2 power x into log 2. Same concept here also. 2 power ax derivative, 2 power ax into log 2 into ax derivative a. Power x means there is no further derivation. But power is not x, ax. That's why again ax derivative we have done. What is given? Dy by dx value? Log 256 given. And what they asked you? Substitute x equal to 1. X value 1, right? So 2 power a into log 2 into a. Here log 2 you are seeing. So left side also 256, right? 2 powers. Log 2 power 8 is equal to 2 power 8 log 2 into a. 2 power 8, how can you write? Huh? Two power 8, power bring down, then you will get 8 log 2. 8 log 2 is equal to 2 power a into log 2 into a. Log 2 cancel. So a into 2 power a is equal to 8. How can we write? 2 into 2 square. 2 into 4 only, no, 8. So a is equal to comparison. A is equal to 2. That is your answer. అన్ని దోమలు. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Finished means will. One more sum I will do. If you complete.
Done, sir.
Okay. Say this question. Y is equal to tan inverse cot of pi by 2 minus x. Then dy by dx is equal to dash. Y is equal to. See tan inverse cot 90 minus x. What is cot 90 minus theta? 90 minus first quadrant. All positive, 90 different angle. Cot different means tan. Tan inverse tan x. Inverse tan cancel. You will get x. Now dy by dx equal to x derivative 1. That's it. So whatever the first exercise you are having, differentiation from your material, try to solve some questions. We'll continue tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Namma.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.